Here are 5 uncommon celebrity makeup artist hacks for flawless makeup. The first one comes from the queen herself, Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called the Tilbury Tap. She explains that the best way to wake up the skin and prep your skin for flawless makeup is by doing the Tilbury Tap. This massage technique is her backstage beauty secret that she's followed since the beginning of her career. Start by applying a thick moisturizer all over your face and then use the Tilbury Tap massage technique to wake up the complexion. Start tapping across your cheekbones like angel wings, then tap across your forehead, your chin, and your nose. This massage is known to stimulate lymphatic drainage and boost circulation. The next one comes from Katie Hughes. She explains that the skincare before makeup is not the same as your nighttime makeup routine. You don't need a 10-step skincare here. I've already applied the moisturizer. Now I'm taking my under eye cream and applying very little. She explains that if you do too much skincare before makeup, your makeup will not stay put. If you do a multi-step skincare routine before applying makeup, it can make your skin really slimy and make the makeup move. And applying too much eye cream can make your eye products like mascara and eyeliner smudge. The next one comes from Vincent Ford. He explains to get that flawless, natural, dewy look, warm up your foundation in your palms and press it on your skin. Start with the center of your face, moving outward and upward before you apply it on your forehead. This is going to apply your makeup flawlessly while removing the excess while you roll your palms. And for that extra coverage, you can always use a concealer. I'm using the Milani concealer in the shade 145. I'm going to list all of these products in the description box below. You can also click on the view products link embedded on the left side bottom of this video, which will open up all the products that I'm using in today's tutorial. So for that extra coverage, I'm using a little bit under my eye, around my mouth where I have those dark patches, and I'm also going to spot correct. Rather than applying too much foundation, I just apply the foundation to even out my skin tone before I use the concealer, just in areas where I want that extra coverage. When you do makeup like this, your skin is not going to look cakey even if somebody sees you up close. The next one comes from J.Lo's makeup artist, Scott Barnes, to perfect the art of blush sandwich. The first step is to apply the foundation, which I already have on my face. The next step is to use a liquid blush over your foundation. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury here. And we're not just going to do a natural blush technique. We are going to use a lot of blush. Trust the process because this technique is going to give you the most natural flushed look. That's definitely a lot of blush. For the final step, he recommends to take a little bit more foundation and apply it over the blush. And that's why it's called the blush sandwich. And as you can see, that looks like a natural flush as compared to the other side. So let me go ahead and finish up the other side as well. This technique allows the blush to breathe through the top layer of the foundation, giving you a more natural, youthful look. You can either leave it as is or you can set it with some translucent loose powder. I'm using Huda Beauty today and you will instantly see that it'll create a filtered effect. As you can see on my right side, it's given that blurred filtered effect as compared to my left side, which looks more natural. Which side would you prefer? Let me know in comment section below before I set the rest of my face. The final one is from Alex Mayo. He's Lizzo's makeup artist. Sometimes when you apply highlighter, it can really look cakey and powdery, especially on extremely textured skin. Alex substitutes face oil instead of a powdery highlighter for that extra glow that feels like it's coming from within. You can skip the step if you have oily skin, otherwise use just a tad bit of oil on the highest points of your face to get that beautiful glow. Which of these tips were your favorites? Let me know in comments. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.